In this business, we spend too much time on the winners and not enough time on the losers that may turn out to be winners. And that was the feedback I got about last Thursday's show opener, where I analyzed the prospects of the 5 best performers Dow Jones Industrial Average from the first quarter. So on a day where the Dow lost 240 points, S&P declined 0.2%, Nasdaq actually inched up 0.11. I want to answer the question people put to me, which is, would I buy any of the Dow bow wows? The dogs of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, based on the declines in the first quarter. Normally, I don't believe in the concept of a stock pivoting in such a short period of time. 3 months is not a pirouette May. But I think companies can lay the groundwork, and I see some of them doing that. So let's get to the 5 worst performers from the first quarter, and I'll tell you the levels where the stocks could be enticing. By the way, I also want to take the liberty to include Walgreens, which was unceremoniously dumped. Sell, sell, sell. From the Dow just after 5 years of its inclusion. Let's take them from the bad to the truly abysmal. We'll start with UnitedHealth, which is bad, the nation's largest health insurer, with a stock that fell 6% in the quarter. Now, this stock was hurt by higher medical costs, just like Humana, which was one of the worst performers of the S&P. That was down 24%. Yet the managed care companies are still being hurt by the post-COVID hangover, where people who skipped getting surgery during the pandemic are finally getting treatment. I find this issue nagging. When does it end? We can't tell. And then tonight, to add insult to injury, the health insurers got some bad news about the medical advantage plans they sell. The government's not allowing them to have much of an increase in their policies. This news came out just after the bell. It is pretty negative, so I think you'll get a chance to buy these stocks well below tonight's close. I predict downgrades or maybe even some price target cuts. I also thought UNH's stock might have come down this quarter past because of that hack for Exchange Healthcare Unit, which keeps track of revenue and payment cycle. The February data breach is being heralded as one of the worst ever to hit the industry. My friends who are in the cybersecurity business say it is just horrendous. But Humana wasn't hit by the hackers, and it was an even worse performer for the quarter. Of the 6 losers I'm covering tonight, UNH probably has the best chance for a bounce back from where it bottoms tomorrow or Wednesday. I just wish it fell more, although the 5% decline tonight today alone, plus another 5% tomorrow, makes it a lot more attractive.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.